Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rodrigo Construction Consultancy. Uh, so I will give a brief explanation on our channel because this is our first video. Uh, our company is mainly delivering the quantity type of services and BOG preparation services. So it means we are estimating and quantity company. So apart from that, we are giving free educational services for the uh, quantity surveyors and estimators who like to improve their knowledge. So this video is conducting to improve the knowledge on CostX software, which is we are using at our premises for the quantity takeoff and BOQ preparation services. So and another thing, if you have any urgent bidding requirement, or if you have a new project to uh, do the quantity takeoff, or you need to prepare BOQ, uh, just check our website, Rodrigo Construction Consultancy website, Rodrigo CC, www.rodrigocc.com, and there you can buy our services and you can get a customized quotation as well. And already also we have predefined services, so you can just buy them. So if you have any urgent bidding requirement, we can support you. So we are doing electrical and electrical estimation and landscaping estimation, concrete, uh, drywall partitions, painting, floor finishes, wall finishes, lumber takeoff, and we are covering all takeoffs if you need for your project. So we are mainly delivering our services to USA, Australia, UK, Sri Lanka, Maldives, and New Zealand. Right. Thank you for joining with me, and I will start my video. So this is the CostX software main interface. So normally the CostX is the most improved software available in the market at the moment, because we are also using Bluebeam, PlanShift, and CostX. But apart from those three, CostX is having the most improved functions. So, but depending on the client requirement, we are using either Bluebeam, PlanShift, or CostX. So the main benefit of the CostX is that the spreadsheet that normally we are preparing spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel, but in CostX they have already given a spreadsheet within the software, so that is easy when we are doing a takeoff and preparing a BOQ estimate. So and so it's the using of CostX or Bluebeam or PlanShift is your likability, but we will give you knowledge on each and every software, because we as well as doing business, we need to improve the estimators knowledge and quantity knowledge as a professional responsibility. So this CostX software has mainly two tabs: dimension view and workbook view. So the dimension view is consistent of mainly the when you upload the drawings, all the drawings are showed in this dimension view, and also when you are doing the takeoff, the measurement groups also showed in this dimension view. And workbook view is the one where the spreadsheets we create. So this workbook we will discuss in further videos, in our future videos. In this video, we will give you a brief understanding of the basic functions and what are the uses of these functions. So uh, first, I will show you how to upload a drawing into CostX. When you click this add button, here Microsoft window is opens here. So using this, you can upload whatever the drawing inside your PC. You can just browse your folder and upload the drawing. So normally, I will show you how to upload one drawing. So I will upload this drawing, and I will click open. Yeah, when you are uploading a AutoCAD drawing, I mean a CAD file, they are normally CostX window appears to ask whether you want to upload the model or the one of the sheets inside the CAD file. So normally, what my recommendation is, yeah, it's better to choose the model, because if you choose the model, the scales and the drawing scales will be accurate and it will be easy to work. If you choose one of the sheets, you need to be careful about the scales. So I will use the model and click OK. Here our plan is loaded, and the CostX asks to if you want to change the name, and we can create a folder also. So here I have created some folders here: cat sheets, details, elevations, floor plans, sections. Likewise, if you want to create a new folder for this drawing, then you can just type that folder name here. For example, I will create as new folder. My folder name is new folder. So when I type there, and I can select, if I want to change the scales, I can change from here, but these settings you can change in later also. So basic units of measurement millimeters, that's okay, and drawing multiplier is so on. I recommend to keep this multiplier 1 in the in these settings, because if we want to multiply a measurement, we can add that multiplier only to that measurement, not for the whole drawing. So it's better to keep this as 1, and I will click insert. Okay, here's our new folder is created and our drawing is here. So when you upload drawings, all the drawings are shown in this window. So if you want to delete the drawing, that is also can be done through this window. So I will show how to delete the drawing. Let's say you want to delete this one. Let's say you want to delete the drawing just we uploaded. So we will click that drawing, and we can right click and select delete drawing. This is how you delete a drawing from the CostX. And also when you are using CostX, we can upload 3 types of drawings. They are CAD files, CAD drawings, PDF vector drawings, and PDF raster drawings. So that's mean if you upload a CAD drawing, there is lot of functions you can use with the CAD drawing inside the CostX. But if you in, upload the PDF drawing in vector format, that drawing also can be used with many functions in the CostX. But if you upload PDF drawing as or JPG as a raster image, so there is the functions you can do within the CostX is limited. But you can measure accurately, but some advanced functions may not work in raster files or JPG files. So these are the three types of drawing you can upload to AutoCAD. If you, I will show you some other options which are in the CostX. So if you are measuring, let's say we are measuring this drawing. So if we measuring this, you can see here a ramp in this building. So if you want to get this drawing clear without a lot of lines, grids, likewise, so what you can do is you can go to layers and you can turn off the layers which is not needed. So the way to do this is you just want to click whatever the line you want to hide. So that way you can hide that layer. I will show you again. So if you want to hide a layer, what you want to do is go to layer tab and click whatever the layer you want to hide. Let's say we want to hide these grids. So we will click here and all the grids in the drawings will be hide because the layer is turned off. If you want to turn back on, you can just tick here. And as well as if you go to top of one of the lines in the drawing and hold the shift, the CostX will automatically mark all the lines which is drawn in this layer. So likewise you can highlight all the lines and hide them for you to get easy with your measurements. So another thing is if you want to keep only this layer and hide all other layers, what you can do is you will click one of the layer and hold shift, and then you can go to drawings tab and you can select one of the layer and you can select shift and click the mouse and click again the invert. So when you click invert, the only what is happening is the selected layer will display it and all other layers will be hide. You can see in this sidebar the selected layer is only displaying and all other layers got hide. So this is how you keep one layer visible and hide all other layers. So I will so I want to see all the layers, so I will click here the show all. So another option is if you want to so I will show you some other options that you can do with the CAD drawings in the CostX. So if you go to this drawings tab, here you have some options: text, hatching, white, monochrome, line styles, and line weight. So the first option is text. If you turn off this text, all the text in the drawing will be get hide. So that will be that can be used if you want to hide the text. So another option is there is option to hide the hatches. So if I click this, you can see the hatches in the drawings are get hidden. So I will turn both of them back on. And if you click this white option, so you can see this the background is black. So if you click this background will get white. So if working with white background is easy for you, then you have to select this one. And another one is this monochrome. This monochrome, when you click this monochrome option, what happens is the complete drawing will be black and white. You see? So if you want to turn off, you can again turn off. And so that will be easy if you, when you are want to see the markups you have done in the CostX clearly without distracted from the colors of the AutoCAD cat drawing file. So then you can do the turn on the monochrome option. And other two is line style. So if you use this line styles option, the all the line style will become single line. So dotted lines, likewise, all the lines become same sort of lines. So this option we use to that. And if you click this line weight, the line weights of the drawing will be become a one value, and these options are highly needed when you are doing a complex takeoff and you need to turn off layers, you need to make your background white, you need to hide the hatchings. Likewise, you can use these options. And uh, so let's talk about. So in this video, we have talked about how to upload drawings and what are the options in the CostX to deal with the drawings. And next video, I will explain you about the measurement tools, how to create a new dimension group, and how to change the properties of dimension groups, and how to measure area, how to measure count, how to measure wall area, how to measure polylength or length in a drawing, how to scale a drawing properly. So all those area I will cover in our next video. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, so then you will do a support for me, as well as you will get notified when I put a new video. So my plan is to put a video in one video for one per each day. So I'll try to keep the promise, and you can refer my all the CostX tutorial videos and get knowledge improved. So thanks for joining with me, and meet you in next video.